I'm Luis Castano with IAC's 2-minute tip of the month. Today we're going to talk about the solenoid on a pulse valve. As you know, a pulse valve in a pulse jet system needs to fire, pow, with a good solid bang. How a pulse valve works is that everything is pressurized and you have a solenoid that releases that pressurization, which is what releases the compressed air into the blowpipe. So I have a drawing here. You got compressed air in the header, and this is all pressurized. A pulse valve has a connection to a solenoid. Sometimes that solenoid is in a solenoid box. Sometimes it's in the controller. That solenoid is placed in the controller. Or sometimes it's an integral solenoid right on the valve. If you were to ask me, this is kind of nicer because you've got a direct connection. When the solenoid opens, it depressurizes the backside of the pulse valve and you get immediate reaction. These are longer. You can use copper tubing or plastic tubing, but I have seen installations where this is maybe 40 feet to the solenoid, and that creates a problem because when the solenoid opens, all that pressurized air needs to be released, so then you don't have a solid pulse. Rather than opening and closing as a solid pulse, you get an effect of building up and then dissipating. So your pulse becomes more of a push, and that's not recommended. So bottom line, we want to get the solenoid close to the pulse valve for the best effect. If you want to discuss this in more detail, we're available to look at your application and get the maximum pulsing effect for your baghouse. Thank you.